The beach.
Which one?
Nevada, right?
Yeah. The best Tahoe Beach. Agreed?
No. If we tell people that it's the best, then
Right,
we'll
it's
get the worst.
There is a little boat over there, which seems to be unmanned. No one's doing anything. I'm not sure what we would do, but not our circus, not our monkeys. So it looks like people have pulled the boat into dock. Well, dock, they just pulled it on to the sand over there. I wonder what's gonna happen now. What's gonna happen to the boat? The Coast Guard has arrived. I'm really saying they might get a ticket, which would just make for a crummy day. I mean, you already lost your boat, but now you gotta get a ticket on top of it? I don't know, man. Hopefully the Coast Guard, I think they'll take care of it.